Hiring a house cleaner to help with stress relief can be a great way to manage life's demands. The physical and mental demands of cleaning a house can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to juggle a job and family responsibilities. A house cleaner can help reduce the stress and strain associated with cleaning, freeing you up to focus on other important tasks. Hiring a house cleaner can be a great way to save time and ensure that your home is kept in pristine condition. It is an excellent solution for busy professionals or families who don't have the time or energy to keep their home clean and organized. House cleaners can provide a variety of services, including vacuuming, dusting, mopping, laundry, additional services such as window cleaning, landscaping, pet care, and much more. Not only will a house cleaner keep your house clean and organized, but will take the hassle out of cleaning, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. Hiring a house cleaner can be extremely beneficial. With a house cleaner, you don't have to worry about cleaning the house yourself, freeing you up for more time to spend with family and friends or devote to other activities. Now, in addition, you can expect your house to be cleaned to a higher standard than if you were doing it yourself, as professional house cleaners have expertise and access to products and equipment that you may not have. Hiring a professional cleaner can help you tackle tough cleaning tasks like deep cleaning carpets, polishing floors, and removing dirt and grime from hard-to-reach places. Professional cleaners provide convenience and peace of mind, knowing that your home is in the hands of experienced professionals. When hiring a house cleaner, make sure to do some research to find the right person for the job. 1. Decide on the type of service you need and the frequency of the cleaning. 2. Use the online search engines or ask friends and family for referrals to find a reputable house cleaner. 3. Make sure to ask the cleaner for references and check their background thoroughly to ensure they are trustworthy and experienced. And 4. Once you've found the right cleaner, discuss the job requirements, set a timeline, and agree on a rate for payment. When interviewing cleaners, you should look for someone who is reliable, trustworthy, and who has experience doing the type of cleaning that you require. It is important to ask specific questions about their cleaning methods and how they handle different types of messes. It is always important to thoroughly check the references of a house cleaner before hiring them. References can provide an insight into the cleaner's work ethic, reliability, and overall attitude. A good reference should come from a previous employer or satisfied customer. If possible, try to speak to the references in person or over the phone to get a better understanding of the cleaner. It is also a good idea to ask for references from multiple sources. This will give you a better idea of the cleaner's ability to perform the job. We can supply you with all the information you need to make an informed decision and get your home or business cleaned. Call us now, 484-755-3535.